Free Boiler Scheme, what is it? The Free Boiler Scheme was launched in January 2013 with an aim to reduce the UK's energy consumption and provide grants to low-income households in order to help them improve the energy efficiency of their homes. The scheme is part of the Energy Company Obligation ECO and the Electricity and Gas Order, which was passed in Parliament in 2012 and will run until 2026. It is primarily funded by the largest UK utility companies. ECO is made up of one primary obligation, the Home Heating Cost Reduction Obligation (HHCRO), and funding for the Free Boiler Scheme is part of this. Home Heating Cost Reduction Obligation (HHCRO). The Home Heat Cost Reduction Obligation provides free boiler and insulation grants to private homeowners who receive certain means-tested benefits. It aims to reduce fuel poverty amongst low-income households by ensuring that heat is generated as efficiently as possible and is prevented from escaping from the home. Why replace your old boiler? With energy bills more expensive than ever, your boiler needs to be heating your home for the lowest possible cost, and your old boiler could be losing you on average around £305 a year. Boilers installed in the UK are required to be condensing boilers. These are far more efficient than traditional boilers as they release gas at just 55 degrees Celsius rather than 180 degrees, therefore requiring less energy to generate the same amount of heat. Less energy means lower bills, and if you meet the qualification criteria, you may be eligible for a free boiler grant.